In today's video, I will show you how you can start mining Bitcoin really easy. You do not need to be a professional. You do not need to buy thousands of dollars worth of equipment. You can literally start mining today without spending thousands of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I will show you how you can literally create an account, buy a miner, and start receiving passive income in Bitcoin every single day. So if you ever wanted to accumulate BTC, if you ever wanted to start mining, this probably, in my opinion, is one of the easiest ways out there. So let's jump straight into it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to follow, and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is click on the link in the description box below and create an account with GoMining.com. Also, if you use that link, you're going to get an extra 5%, which I'll tell you a little bit more about towards the end of this video. First thing you want to do is click on Marketplace, and it will show you a ton of different miners. You'll be able to buy a miner for around 20 bucks, but there's a ton of them on here that are very powerful and they cost a little bit more. Some of them are in the thousands and thousands of dollars, but I highly recommend starting out small and working your way up. It just depends on how many terahashes you want. The more terahashes, the more expensive they're going to be, but they're going to produce a lot more passive income. So as you can see, there are multiple miners on this site. All you got to do is pick out the one that you want, the one that is in your budget. There are a bunch of different collections, from the boxes to the whales, but don't focus too much on the art. They do look good and everything, but you want to focus on the terahashes and how much electricity they waste, their efficiency level. Those are the two numbers you want to focus on. Terahashes, the higher the terahashes, the better. Also, efficiency, I try to buy them around 20 efficiency. That is where I'm getting the best results, but they can go down to like 15 efficiency or up to like 35 efficiency. But it all depends on the miner and where you see Bitcoin in the futures. But I highly recommend you stick around that 20 efficiency range. So I found this one right here. It has 2.65 terahashes and 20 efficiency. Right now it is priced at 136.5 GoMining tokens, but that comes out to $56.84. So I'm pretty much paying $21.45 per terahash. One thing that I do want to mention, the lower the price per terahash, the better. Let's quickly take a look at this one right here. On every miner, you can click the calculator button and you'll be able to see all the numbers that you need to know. For example, the price of Bitcoin, the maintenance. If you pay your maintenance in the GoMining tokens, you'll be saving a decent amount, up to 20% on your fees. So I highly recommend you use GoMining tokens for your maintenance. So the pool payout on this one is roughly 13 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day, but we are also paying the maintenance fee of 7 cents. So why do we have to pay fees? Fees simply go to pay the electricity cost for the miners. GoMining.com, they actually have warehouses full of miners, and those miners are turned into NFTs, and then we are able to buy those miners and get a percentage of what they mine. So the fees literally pay for the electricity cost. So keep that in mind. So our daily profit, the net reward, is 6 cents worth of Bitcoin every single day. As you can see, it is not life-changing money, but over time, as I get more miners, as my power increases, I will be making a lot more. This is just a demonstration to show you guys how this works. And our annual ROI is 39.44%, which is definitely good. Try getting that type of return in the stock market right now or anywhere else. And then you also have the rarity to see how rare your NFT is, the achievements, the metadata, and all of that important stuff. But in my opinion, none of that is really important. All you want to focus on is the power and efficiency. One thing that I love about GoMining is their transparency. Right here, you are able to see the history of the miner, the rewards and the payouts. As you can see, every single day, this miner is earning rewards and it is paying out. So this is definitely a good sign. Also, it is in the profit. It is in the green. So if you do not see any rewards history, it is not that big of a deal. There's a lot of people on here that literally create a miner, they pay for it, and then they decide they don't like the art, they don't like something about it, and they post it on the marketplace without ever receiving an award. And then the person that buys it, they simply hold it and they start receiving the daily payout. Now that we have seen all the important information about this miner, let's quickly make a purchase and let's buy it. And I'm about to show you how easy it is. All you got to do is press buy, and then it will show you the total amount of $56.85. So with GoMining, you can literally use your credit card, your debit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, whatever you want to purchase these miners. You can also use your crypto, but right now I do have some GoMining tokens in my account, so that is what I'll be using to purchase this miner. The process is super simple, literally takes 2 or 3 clicks, and boom, the miner will be in my wallet. So as you can see, you have the option to choose how you want to pay. I will be choosing to pay with the GoMining token, and then all I got to do is press yes to confirm everything, and boom, congratulations, I have just purchased another miner. Now every single day I will be making 6 cents worth of Bitcoin. Obviously, you're not going to become a Bitcoin millionaire overnight doing this. It does take some time. It does take patience. You got to continue to buy miners, upgrade them until you get to the desired daily payout. Right now, my main goal is to accumulate some miners, upgrade them so I can start making around $10 worth of Bitcoin every single day. Then I will start scaling from there, buying more, upgrading more until I get to around $100 a day. Obviously, it is not going to happen overnight, but that is my goal and that is what I plan on doing. I believe Bitcoin is here to stay, and I can easily see Bitcoin going over 100,000, 200,000, maybe even 300,000 in the upcoming years. And who knows how high it will go. That is why I'm accumulating as much as I can. And I believe this was a great long-term investment. The returns are good. Right now, I'm just stacking up on my Satoshis and getting as much BTC as possible. And these miners are definitely helping. So that is all I have for this video. If you want to check out GoMining, the link will be in the description box below. If you use that link, you are going to get 5% cash back on your miner. So when you purchase your miner, you get some money back, which is definitely good. So I highly recommend it. Check it out. Link is in the description. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop those in the comment section below, and let's make some Bitcoin. Peace out.